Morning guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a couple things on the Duramax. So one of the first things I need to do is, you can see that this wheel liner sticks down a little bit past the bumper. So I want to trim this up to match the body line of the bumper, just to clean it up a little bit. And actually at full turn the tire rubs this sometimes, so I need to trim a little bit of that off. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a Dremel and we'll just cut that off to match that body line. Okay, so I got the Dremel and I'm gonna try to make a cut straight as I can across, just to clean it up. Now we got that cleaned up pretty good. That matches the body line, so the tire shouldn't rub there no more. I think it looks a whole lot better. You can see I already did the driver's side, so now we got all that cleaned up pretty good. I just need to tuck this wiring for the fog light up in there. So I've been looking at my Duramax badges here lately, and I think I want to get rid of these and replace them with the blacked out emblems. So I went out and bought a set of these blacked out ones. So let's replace these. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of tape on both ends of the badge, so I know exactly where to put the new badge. These new emblems are real easy to put on. Just got some double-sided tape on the back. You just peel that off and press it on there. I think it looks quite a bit better than the chrome one. So now let's do the driver's side. So now the driver's side's on. I think it looks a lot better than the chrome emblems. That goes better with the blacked out look of the truck. I'm honestly thinking about taking these chrome door handle pieces off. I ain't 100% sure on that, but I think I'm going to. Probably not today, but I think I will sometime. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I got a bed cover on the Duramax now. I actually traded for it. It's a real good cover. It folds up. It's actually from Photo Cover. It's a G3 Elite. And one thing I like about it, it also locks. And you can't open the tailgate unless you open this. So I really like that. Well guys, that's probably all we're going to do on the Duramax today. Got some more Duramax content coming real soon. Also getting ready to paint the Jeep. That project's come along pretty good. So I'm getting ready to paint it. Probably after I paint it and get everything finished on it, then we'll probably pull the truck in the garage and I'm going to sand this bumper down, and I think I want to bed line it. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.